Hey everybody, I wanted to post a video for you for a couple of reasons. First, I want to say I am so excited about all the engagement on our clean eating page. I love the meals that you guys are posting. I love seeing what you're eating as well as your prepared items, your Ziploc bags filled with your snacks, and showing everybody what you're doing. And the people who haven't posted pictures but are still posting something stating what you're eating, all of it is fabulous. I love, love, love it. So keep it up. I think you're doing amazingly well, all of you. We already got one person, Jane, had posted already that she lost 1.8 pounds. I think it was in her first day. So you guys are doing awesome. Feel free to post any of your successes. And also feel free to post any questions or challenges that you might be having. If any of you need some suggestions for either breakfasts or lunches or dinners, as well as snacks, definitely post and ask. You know, that's what this group is for. That's how we engage, and that's how we support each other, is by providing all the things that we're doing, the tips from each other, and that's how we learn. So make sure that you are definitely eating your breakfast. You know, start out in the morning drinking a little water, and then make sure you're eating breakfast by, you know, an hour or two after you wake up. And then 2 or 3 hours after that, you're eating your mid-morning snack. And then 2 or 3 hours after that, you're eating your lunch. And 2 or 3 hours after that, you're eating your mid-afternoon snack. And then 2 or 3 hours after that, your dinner. And if any of you are having any kind of challenges with eating after dinner, eating late at night, post it on the page or message me if you're not comfortable posting it, because I will help you. You know, any kind of challenges that you might have with regard to your nutrition, definitely this is the opportunity to post it, and you'll get the support and you'll get some guidance and some assistance in helping you to overcome that particular challenge. Okay, so I also wanted to make sure that you're all drinking enough water. That's so, so important. Like I said in my post last time, that you should be drinking, the ideal amount is half your body weight in ounces. So what I do when I'm at work is I keep a thermos at my desk. It's a 16-ounce thermos, and I know, you know, I would need to fill it up like 3.5 times in order to equal half my body weight. So I just make sure that I keep on sipping it throughout the day. That's what I drink with my lunch, and then I keep filling it up every time I empty it. So that's how I make sure, and I keep track of it so I know how much I've drank during the day. So it's really important to make sure that you're drinking enough water as well. Okay, so we're going to make Thursday our Shakeology Day, because I want to make sure that everyone has received their Shakeology samples by the time that we're doing it. So everyone should definitely have it by tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll give you the opportunity to go out and get whatever ingredients that you want in order to make your recipe you're going to choose. Tonight I'm going to post, in addition to this video, I'm going to post all the recipe calendars for each of the flavor of Shakeologies, and then you can look through, you know, your flavor and pick a recipe that looks really good to you, and then you'll have all day tomorrow to be able to prepare to get the ingredients that you need, and then you'll be all set to make it on Thursday. Now, like I said, you can make it for whichever meal that works best for you. It's in place of 1 meal a day, and so whichever meal that you're normally rushed or don't have to find time in order to make a really good meal that's healthy for you, that's the meal I would suggest that you use. A lot of people like drinking it twice a day, because some people who have issues with needing to, feeling cravings at night to snack, it's a great solution to drink Shakeology in the evening, because it really gives you that, if you're drinking chocolate, it gives you that chocolate satisfaction, and you no longer need to crave anything else after that. So it's a great way to curb any cravings in the evening. Okay, so I'm going to give you a presentation on how I make my Shakeology, and this is the proper way to make it so that you know that when it's time to make it, that you're doing it correctly. So this is my Shakeology canister. So you're going to have the packet, so you can just take the packet and put the packet, it equals 1 scoop. So you're going to put 1 scoop in the blender, I don't know if you can see my blender over here. Let me see if I can maybe move this. Here we go. Okay, so, okay, I'm going to put 1 scoop. So that'll be your packet that you're going to put in the blender. And then you're going to take a cup of ice. I have a whole cup of ice here. I'm going to dump it in. And then what I like to do, my favorite recipe, is I take 4 ounces of water. I like half water and half unsweetened almond milk. So here's my unsweetened almond milk. And I'm going to fill the rest of the measuring cup with that. And then pour it in. If it's over 8 ounces, it's fine. Anywhere between 8 to 10 ounces of liquid is good. And then I'm going to take half a banana. And put half of my banana in. If you use a little bit more than half, that's okay too. And then a lot of times I'll use a teaspoon of peanut butter or almond butter. But right now I'm just going to do the banana. But the almond butter also is delicious, and the peanut butter makes it really good. It tastes like a peanut butter, like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Okay, and that's it. So it's really quick and easy. And I don't know if this is going to work. Here we go. And that's it. Voila. And my Shakeology is made. And my Shakeology cup is actually in the kitchen. I should have brought it in with me, but it's delicious. So it winds up really making a good amount of Shakeology. And this is very filling for your breakfast. So this is over 2 cups, over 16 ounces. So I would suggest that you also check out the link that I provided. There were several links that I provided on the page so that you can have a really good understanding of all of the nutrition that's in each of the Shakeology shakes for you, because it's so important to really know the value, the nutritional value that you're getting in each shake, so you can really see all the goodness that you're doing for yourselves. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing which recipes all of you are going to be using. I'd love for you to post which one you've decided on using, and then I'd like us to all connect and share our results or how we felt about our Shakeology that we tried using. All right, so I'm thinking about maybe doing a Zoom call. So if you can, Zoom is like Skype on the computer. If any of you guys are available Thursday evening to be able to do a call where we can actually connect with each other and talk, that would be awesome, because then you can also share with me in person if you're having any issues or challenges that you'd like to discuss, and we can have a conversation about it. So after you watch this video, I'd like you to check out the recipe calendars and the Shakeology videos if you haven't looked at them yet, and post which recipe you're going to use. And then also just let me know if Thursday night you'll be available to do a Zoom call and what time will be good for you. All right, guys, I look forward to hearing more from you tomorrow. Keep up the great engagement. Bye.